Good day, viewers. Today we want to solve the following equations. In our question 1, we have 5y plus 6 is equals to 21. The first step that we need to take is to take this plus 6 to the other side of the equation. So we are going to have 5y is equals to 21 minus 6. 21 minus 6 will give us 15. Then we are going to have y is equals to 15 divided by 5, which will give us 3. Let's solve question 2. We have 10x minus 3 is equals to 5. We need to take this minus 3 to the other side of the equation. We are going to have 10x is equals to 5 plus 3. Then we are going to have 10x is equals to 8. X is equals to 8 divided by 10. Then we can reduce this to its lowest term. This will give us 4 over 5. In our question 3, we have 19 is equals to 6 plus 9x. We can rewrite the equation as 6 plus 9x is equals to 19. Reason because right hand side is also equivalent to left hand side. Then we are going to collect the like times. Collect the like times. So we are going to have 9x is equals to 19 minus 6. 9x is equals to 19 minus 6 will give us 13. And x is equals to 13 over 9, which will give us one whole number 4 over 9. Question 4. We have 8d minus 56 is equals to 0. So we are going to take minus 56 to the side of the equation. Then we are going to have 8d is equals to 0 plus 56. 8d is equals to 56. Then we are going to divide both sides by 8. So d is equals to 56 over 8. 2 here we have 28. 2 here we have 4. 4 here 1. 4 here 7. So therefore d is equals to 7. Then question 5. We have 19 is equals to 16y minus 21. So we are going to collect the like times. So we are going to have 19 plus 21 is equals to 16y. By the time we add this, we are going to have 40 is equals to 16y. We can also rewrite it as 16y is equals to 40. Reason because right hand side is equals to left hand side. Then y is equals to 40 over 16. So we are going to reduce this. 4 here 10, 4 here 4, 4 here 5, 2 here 5 rather, 2 here 2. So our y is equals to 5 over 2, which is the same thing as 2 number 1 over 2. So I want you to try this on your own and put your answer in the comment section. Solve the following equations. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You have 5p minus 3 is equals to 7. Then you have 15 is equals to 2a minus 5. Then you have 14k minus 8 is equals to 20. Then you also have 15r plus 6 is equals to 36. Then you have 8 is equals to 2p plus 2. Thank you.